Need to get rid of flies outside? In this video we're tackling a pesky problem that can ruin a beautiful day outdoors: flies. If you're wondering how to get rid of flies outside, especially in a natural way, you're in the right place. Let's explore some effective solutions to keep those winged intruders at bay. Let's get started. Flies can be a nuisance, but fret not, because we've got some simple and natural ways to help you reclaim your outdoor space. Essential oils and herbs. First up, essential oils and herbs can be your allies in the battle against flies. Mix water with a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus, citronella, or mint. Spritz this mixture around your outdoor seating areas to create a natural fly repellent. Alternatively, plant herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary in pots around your patio. The strong scents these plants emit act as a deterrent for flies. Citrus peels. Flies aren't fans of citrus. Save those orange, lemon, or grapefruit peels and place them strategically around your outdoor space. The citrus aroma will help keep flies away. Refresh the peels regularly to maintain their effectiveness. DIY fly traps. Create your own fly traps using common household items. For a simple fly trap, mix apple cider vinegar with a few drops of dish soap in a bowl. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and poke small holes in it. Flies will be attracted to the scent, get trapped, and meet their soapy demise. Dispose of the trapped flies and replace the mixture as needed. Keep outdoor spaces clean. Prevention is key. Regularly clean outdoor areas to eliminate potential breeding grounds for flies. Keep trash bins sealed and dispose of garbage promptly. Flies are attracted to food waste, so maintaining cleanliness is a crucial step in keeping them at bay. Remember, a clean space is a fly-free space. And there you have it, effective and natural ways to get rid of flies outside. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical solutions. Until next time, and enjoy your fly-free outdoor oasis.